Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see someone recent followers on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video to the end, make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First of all, go to your Instagram. So after you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on your at the bottom right side, this one. So if you open your profile at the bottom right side, as you can see now, the only option that Instagram now gives you is three options: your post, your followers, and your following list. So that's the option that only now Instagram gives you. So in order for you to see someone the same followers on Instagram now is tap on this search button. Go and search for the person that you want to see his recent followers. So for me, I want to see the same followers of this account. Let's say Cristiano Ronaldo. This one. So after you search for your account, all you have to do now, tap on the followers. As you can see this followers, tap on his followers. So after you tap on his followers, as you can see now, in this section now, there is no any option that Instagram gives you for you to see the recent followers of anyone on Instagram. But the option is only recent followers of anyone on Instagram are the top followers. As you can see now, only now these people, this one are the recent followers of this account, this Cristiano Ronaldo account. As you can see now, if you scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, from this section now, Instagram then cut up all the Instagram followers and only leaves all these ones that are only recent. As you can see now, so the recent followers of anyone on Instagram are the top followers of his account. So as you can see now, here is this person. As you can see now, this person is the last followers of this account. This person is the second to the last, third to the last followers. So now if I close now this session, if I now go back to the following section, as you can see now, as I close the followers and I come back, as you can see now, this person has disappeared because he got another followers. As you can see, this account is getting almost 100 followers or every minute. As you can see now, in every minute he is getting almost 100 followers. That's why, so the recent followers of anyone on Instagram are the top followers. Now if you close now the followers section, if I come back again, as you can see, you see these people have disappeared. As you can see now, these people, it says now this let's say, look at this name, Broken Girls. So let's go back again. So if I go back now, let's refresh and go back again now. As you can see now, up to now is the Broken Girl. But as you recognize that person that I saw saw him before, now he disappeared. The same thing happens in your account. If you go back to your account, if you tap on your followers, so you can recognize that all your followers list are the recent followers of your followers account are the top ones. As you can see now, if you scroll to down, all these people are the followers of my account that are. So as you can see now, this thing happens on your account. So the same followers of your followers account are the top ones. So the same thing happen on anyone on Instagram. Now let's go back to that account that I show you, that Cristiano Ronaldo account. Let's go back and let's start with the follower section. Now you see the followers. As you can see now, here is Broken Girl has disappeared because he is getting almost 100 of followers every minute. As you can see now, all these are the followers that are following his account every second. As you can see now, he has 624 million followers. Every month he is getting millions of followers. So the followers or the recent followers of anyone on Instagram are the followers that are at the top. As you can see, the top followers are the recent followers of anyone on Instagram. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.